If you can't switch on the automatic time zone selection feature on your Windows 11 computer because the option is grayed out, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to solve this problem. So let's get straight to the solution without wasting any time. First, open up the Settings app on your computer. Next, click on Privacy and Security from the left side menu. Then scroll down a little and come to the App Permissions section. Next, click on Location. Then toggle on Location Services. Also turn on Let App Access Location option. And make sure that Settings has access to your location. Now you should be able to turn on the Set Time Zone Automatically feature. To check, click on Time and Language from the left side menu. Then click on Date and Time from here. And you'll notice that it's not grayed out anymore and you can turn it on. So that's how you fix the problem of Set Time Zone Automatically feature for being grayed out on Windows 11. If the video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below and I'll hit you back real soon. Thanks a lot for watching.